Myself Asha, I am studying 3rd BCom. Today I will like to discuss about the topic meaning, objectives and fundamental principles of internal check, assigned by Sudharani ma'am. Meaning of internal check. Internal check is a valuable part of the internal audit. It is an arrangement of accounting body under which the work of the one person is independently checked by another person, the object being prevention and early detection of errors and frauds. Definition: practically a continuous internal audit carried on the audit by itself, by means which the work of the individual is independently checked by other members of the staff. Objectives of internal audit: proper division of work, minimization of errors and frauds, simplification of internal audit work, early preparation of finance account, ensuring reliability of accounts. Fundamental principles of internal check. The system of internal check should be calculated, simple, easily workable and effective. The system of internal check is too expensive but it economical. There should be a proper system of work among the members of the staff. There should be a proper rotation of employees from one job to another job. The employee should be carefully selected and properly trained for the job should be given by them. The cash and bank balances should be verified by the responsible officer. The cashier should have no access to the ledger system. There should be a system of reporting management. Safeguard should be prescribed by the safe custody of the cash, checkbooks, securities and etc. The system of internal check should be reviewed from time to time to ascertain the loopholes and introduce improvements. There should be a no duplication of work. Correspondence with debtors and creditors should be verified by the responsible officer. The receipt and payment of cash should be entrusted to different person. Clear-cut instruction about the job should be given to writing. The audit work can be classified into 3 types. First one in watching, second one is verification of asset and liabilities, third one is reporting. Meaning of watching: watching is an act of checking or examining the transaction or entries made in the books of accounts with supporting documentary evidence or vouchers to establish validity, authenticity and accuracy of the books of accounts. Definition: watching is an act of comparing the books of accounts with documentary evidence support itself. The objectives of watching: the principal objectives of the watching is to ensure that all the transactions recorded in the books of accounts are correctly recorded, to ensure that all the books of accounts made in the books have been supported documentary evidence, to ensure no transaction have been omitted in the books of accounts. The successful audit is largely depend upon the care and attention of the auditor. It ensures the arithmetical accuracy of the accounts. Profit and loss account and balance sheet has been exhibited in a true and correct value of the accounts. It form all the basis should be drawn up by the auditor. Thank you.